Hi, this is Idea Man. Today I'm going to share a few of the legit ways to make money online. In the next few minutes, you will have a fair understanding of the few mainstream ideas to make money online, the goods and the bads of each of them. Therefore, to save your time and money on each of these. I gained all these experiences from the past few months and paid a lot of tuition fees. Hopefully, it will help you in a big way. In the beginning, I was only looking for a source of passive income, therefore to complement my 9-to-5 job, and amazingly, I found a few of them. The first way is called SMMA Agency. Full name is Social Media Marketing Agency. It is using the active internet marketing strategy, the so-called paid advertising. Quite frankly, it is very similar to the old TV marketing by using technology to deliver the product to the right group of people. Traditional TV advertisements would push the ads to everyone. It looks like very effective because it can reach a large number of people, but most of the time the audiences aren't very interested to the product in the ad. The ad itself can't reach its target audience. This kind of ad is pretty much useless. Furthermore, there are less and less people watching TV these days. The return of the expensive TV ads are getting lower and lower. Therefore, more and more people using digital marketing strategy to achieve better results. The new paid advertisement platform includes Facebook, YouTube, etc. By better understanding the key target audience and push the right ad to the right people, and therefore increase the ad conversion rate. The other way is called passive advertisement, or the SEO, or called search engine optimization. Basically, the clients found your product by searching the keywords, and therefore the clients who found your services needs your service, and therefore you deliver the right service to the right people. The platform can achieve this includes YouTube, Instagram, and LinkedIn. It's worth mentioning that Facebook and Instagram works under the same advertisement platform, which is called the Facebook ad, and the other side, YouTube and Google search, is with another camp with Google. Because there are a lot of traditional business and offline business haven't fully embraced online strategy as yet, therefore there are still a lot of room to grow. But because the barrier of entry is relatively low, therefore there are a lot of people who would give it a go. However, even though it is easy to get in, but to good at it is very hard. The hardest is to have the positive return on investment. That is, the return of investment needs to be higher than the investment on ads. To achieve this, it requires a lot of hard work. One thing to note is, apart from the ads strategy, other skills like the sales psychology, IT, visual arts are also required. It is a field that looks very easy, but in fact full of challenge. The second way of making money online is by selling info product, or selling your knowledge and make money by selling online courses. The good thing is it got very high profit margin. Think about it. You design the course yourself, and of course its profit margin is 100%. The most important thing is all of us have something that we are good at. Like myself, I'm good at showing fresh graduates how to find jobs and teaching people on investments. So look like everyone can set up their own course and business very easily. Like SMMA, selling info products looks easy, but in fact it is very hard to be good at. Firstly, it requires good understanding of sales psychology and a good sense to act in front of camera. Good PPT skills is also important. In here, I have to mention the godfather of turning knowledge into product, Russell Brunson, now worth more than $37 million. He didn't use any external funding, purely selling all kinds of info products and courses, built the company from zero to the size we are seeing now. I put a link of one of his best course, One Funnel Away Challenge, in the description below. This challenge is about if one day that you lost everything and you only have your laptop internet, and 30 days left. How can you resurrect from the ash? This course taught me the first-class product development, marketing, IT skills, and networking skill. Even though if I don't build my own business, this course still helps me a lot in my daily job and gained a lot more credibility. The third way of making money online is via e-commerce. It includes dropshipping and making money on Amazon. What dropshipping does is by making the sales first and use the money from the sales to purchase the product and using the strong logistic network to deliver the product to your client. The good thing is you don't need large amount of cash to generate huge amount of sales. The downside is it takes long time to deliver. A lot of the products shipped from China to US and European countries could take around 2 to 3 weeks. By that time, the clients may already feel annoyed or forgot about a product and cause a lot of complaints. Therefore, the tips to success is selling the product that is hard to find on a normal store or the price is a lot lower than what you can buy on the street. Dropshipping also divides into high-ticket and low-ticket model. The difference is selling high-ticket product, which is generally more than $100. The profit you can make is a lot higher than selling the low-price product. Therefore, you can sell less and less customer service, but achieving similar or a lot higher profit. These days, dropshipping also trying to find a local supplier. Therefore, the supplier can deliver to the buyer in a lot shorter time frame, and therefore improve customer service and getting more returning customers. The second e-commerce model is by selling through Amazon platform. Generally, it needs to import large amount of goods from China and ship to Amazon warehouse. Then use Amazon's world-class warehouse to fulfill the order and deliver to the customers. Amazon would deliver the product within US. Normally it takes around 2 days. And Amazon's flagship service, Amazon Prime, gives a lot of credibility to its customers. Therefore, it can sell large volumes of products every day. Business model is also very mature. Every year, people who made more than 100K US dollar is more than 30 million people. That is basically more than a whole football stadium. The fourth way of making money online is affiliate marketing. This is using YouTube or blog to introduce the product. When people click on the affiliate link and purchase the product, the introducer can make commission from the sale. Now the most popular affiliate program including Amazon Associate and ClickBank. The good side of Amazon Associate is you can sell the whole Amazon catalog. The downside is its commission is lower than 10%. On the other hand, ClickBank is selling info products or computer tools. Its commission is also a lot higher. In terms of product, the hottest product is surrounding health, relationship, such as dating tips, and wealth, such as real estate, stock market, etc. The fifth is making money by using Facebook or YouTube ads. For YouTube ads, you need to have 4,000 watching hours in the past 12 months and also having at least 1,000 fans. Then you can join the YouTube partnership program. YouTube push the ads based on the nature of your channel, but overall, the content that is more likely to have profitable ads, then the ads revenue will be higher. The sixth way to make money online is by accepting all kinds of jobs online, such as translating and virtual assistants, etc. However, the probability of making large amount of profit is low and the job flow is not very stable. Therefore, I won't put too much focus in here. Overall, a lot of people may have a 9-to-5 job in the beginning, then start to become a YouTuber, selling affiliate products and selling info products to make some passive income. And after you have enough savings, then start to do dropshipping. And after you build up more capital, you can start your Amazon business. And after you successfully sell a few of the products, you can have your own brand. At this point of time, a lot of people may already able to quit their 9-to-5 jobs. Of course, a lot of people may accumulate their wealth through real estate and stocks, and there is nothing wrong with that. This is my understanding of how to make money online. Certainly there are a lot more details on each of these methods of making money online, and I will share more details in the videos going forward. Make sure you click on the subscribe button and share your video to your friends so it can help a lot more people. Subscribe to Idea Man, learn a new way to make money every day, and have more promising life.